What's up YouTube? My name is Ro and welcome back to Ro Centrals. I know it's been a while since I put up a video, but I have been busy renovating my house and I haven't had time to put up any videos, hence the new setup for my colognes back here. So today I'm going to be bringing you a new cologne that I just picked up from Macy's. Something a little bit different because in price range I normally try to buy things under $100, and normally I try to buy it online because it's a lot cheaper, but this time it caught my attention and I had to go and grab it, and that will be Gucci Guilty OUD. This is the 90 ml bottle. I picked it up for about 158 bucks, which is a lot more expensive, but I thought it was worth it. When I picked up this cologne, the atomizer that I smelled it from was broken, so I only got a faint whiff of the cologne, but it was enough where I thought it was worth it to go and grab it. This was a newly released 2018 Gucci fragrance. So this is the bottle. Very similar to a lot of the Gucci brand's colognes regarding how their bottle is set up, and it just has the oud right at the bottom. And this is an eau de parfum version, so it is a lot stronger than, you know, than the eau de toilette and so on and so forth. And from the whiff I had, it was very faint. It smelled good, but you would think from eau de parfum it would be a lot stronger. So we'll see what it smells like with the atomizer working and with an actual nice spritz of the fragrance. This fragrance has notes of pink pepper, blackberry, golden wood, leather, and don't forget that oud, one of the most important things to remember about this fragrance. I mean, the oud is right on the bottle, so we should all know that. Anywho, so let's get down to it right now so you can know what this smells like on the inside. Because I always say, it doesn't matter about the bottle, because some bottles are ugly, some bottles look good. It matters about the juice and what's inside. Check out the atomizer on here. So there you go. Atomizer is really good. It gives you a nice big spread of the fragrance when you spray it, and as soon as you spray it, you do get that whiff of that cologne. It's not subtle, it's very quick, and it's out there. It's pretty much probably filling up this room right now with that nice scent. It is a lot stronger, just as I said, than what I had in the store because that was broken, but it still smells good. It's strong, it's manly, it's out there, but it's really nice. You have that woody smell with that leather, and it's just manly, but there's like a sweetness to it. I only list a few of the notes that was in this fragrance, but there's another 38 that's supposed to be in there. I can't list them all to you because right now I honestly can't even remember, and my nose is not good enough to pickpocket, or is that pickpocket, you know, pick apart the scent and say, oh, this smells like this or that. But it does work really well. All of them cumulate, see, she knows. Cumulate to make a really nice scent. That's something that I would love to smell. I did want a wintry fragrance. That's why I was originally there. And I think that this will hit the note for a wintry fragrance for me. But you could also use this in the fall. I don't really think it's more for a summertime scent. But it may work. You never know. I use fragrances no matter what time of the year it is, but for this one I think this is more for fall or winter scent, and it smells really good. It smells very manly. I would have to give it another few weeks or so to wear it to see what the scent, how long it lasts or anything like that, but as of right now I would think that this is one of the better fragrances that I picked up in 2018. So don't forget, this is Gucci Guilty OUD. My name is Ro. Welcome to Ro Centrals, and I am out.